Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've joined the meeting. Now act. First, make sure Zoom has microphone permission in your computer or phone settings so mute controls work correctly. Once done, look at the meeting toolbar, usually bottom of desktop or top on mobile, and find the microphone icon. Click or tap that icon to mute yourself. You'll see a slash through the mic. Do this immediately so you don't interrupt others, and make sure your status shows muted before proceeding. Once you're muted, you can refine controls. If you're host, open participants and use mute all to silence everyone, or mute single attendees to control interruptions. Make sure to open audio settings to confirm the correct microphone is selected and adjust input level so background noise stays low. If you need to speak briefly, use the spacebar push-to-talk on desktop, which temporarily unmutes you while held. These steps prevent finish by double-checking the mic icon displays a slash. That visual confirms you're muted. On mobile, the mic control is at the top or bottom. On desktop, it's on the meeting toolbar. If you want to stay quiet for the whole session, leave your device muted and avoid pressing the mic. If muting doesn't work, first verify operating system privacy permissions for Zoom, then quit and reopen the app or rejoin the meeting. That usually resolves persistent audio issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.